morning. I can hear Robin straight away. Sounds really close. Right, let's struggle up the steps. He's very close. Where is he? Oh, come on, he's right in front of me. I'm sure he is. Oh, he is. Here he is. There. Actually, he's not that far away. He's there. There he is. Morning, Robin. Right, let's get up these rotten steps. Let's get a handrail. I'll do Robin first as he's waiting. I was thinking one morning, I'm not going to video, I'm going to take some pictures. Here he is. Hello, chap. Hello. He's so close to me, he's about there. Oh, here he comes. I'd really like some pictures. Oh, that's a pretty song. Yes, sorry, let me get on with the business in hand. Now then, this morning we've got special treats. This morning we've got mealworms. Look at that. Look at that, Robin. He's over there. Look, mealworms. Let me just get you fat things as well. Yeah, he's come closer. Let's see what he takes. Let's see if he goes for the fat or the mealworms. The fat. Oh, that was both of them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't lift the phone up, but I had both of them. They were both here. One was there and one was there. Oh, how sweet, man. Where have they gone? That's a sparrow. Where have they gone? Oh, that was so sweet, because I could hear two. Oh, here he is. Right, he might be coming back. He's wiping his beak. Oh, there they are. They're flying around together over there. Good to see him, but she... Let's see if they both fly out there. They were both there. He's wiping his beak. I don't know if you can see him. He's about mid shot. I can't zoom in anymore. You can hear him now. But she's in there somewhere. She's somewhere into the right. Come on then, Robin. Let me get some more. Oh, where did he land? Oh, I think he's behind me. I'll put some other fat things. I'm going to spill them. I'll do it like this. There's quite a lot there now. I've zoomed in a little bit actually, so I'm about here. And I zoom in so that we get really good picture. I don't know if he's going to come back. He's behind me somewhere. And sparrows are buzzing around down me. The sparrows are all around here waiting for me to do the brick. Nope, not like he's coming back. Okay, let's do the sparrows. Let's do the sparrows. They're waiting patiently. No bees. I'm late. I'm really late. I was awake till 4. I could hear mice. I could hear mice above my head. Ho hum. I don't really know what's the best thing to do, really, whether to just... I mean, it's very mild today. I didn't set the trap because I don't want to chuck them out in freezing temperatures. But it's very mild today. So maybe I should set the trap tonight. The thing is, where they are now, they are flat. They're underneath the floorboards upstairs, so I can hear them running about over my head. And obviously I can't get them there. But I think I heard tissue rustling beside my bed. I'm sure I did. I looked out this morning over there and I couldn't see any tissue, and I thought, what was that then I heard in the night? You can't really tell where sound's coming from when you're asleep or half half asleep. Oh, Robin's just gone back, I think. Or is that the sparrows? No, it's Robin. He's in there. Robin's in there. There's the sparrows coming down now. Yeah, he was in there. He's came back for another bit of food. Look. And now the sparrows they're all braving it. They're getting closer and closer. I can't zoom in anymore. I'll just see if the sparrows come down. Yeah, so it's very mild today, so I'm going to set the trap tonight because I don't think they will breed. I looked it up, they don't really breed after October. So I shouldn't have any more babies because these are wood mice. So I think I'll set the trap. There's quite a lot of chatter this morning, isn't there? Starling chatter, sparrow chatter. Sparrows are over here. Oh, that's not a sparrow. That is a chaffinch or bullfinch or something. Now I can't get any closer to it, but I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? It's got a grey back and a peach-coloured tummy. I don't know if you can see where I'm looking. I'll try and get it in the middle. Let me get my glasses on because I can't see. Now, where is it? Oh, it's moved. Oh, it's still there, but it's kind of... Now, let's see if I can get it. Oh, I can see it with my eyes, but when I get the... I look at the phone, I can't see it. Oh, is that it? Yeah, that was it. Did you just see the fluttering? It's dead centre, but it's kind of hid. There you are. See the tummy? It's got like a peach colour. I'm going to have to look it up. Is it a chaffinch? Or bullfinch? I don't know. Oh, I do all this bird watching and I don't know what they are. I'll have to look that up. That's interesting, isn't it? I haven't seen one of those in here before. What's going on over here? Lots of kerfuffle going on over here. Yeah, they're going on the table. Look, they're taking... Oh, there's lots of them. There's Robin, back. Oh, I wonder who's going to chase them off. Oh, yeah, he's in there again. He might get all territorial and chase them off. They'll have to pick their moment. Sparrows all over here. Somebody's down here on the brick. Somebody's on the brick in there, but I can't get a decent... There's somebody in there. They're obviously hungry. They've been waiting for me. It was a starling. Who's on this brick? I can see them on the brick, but I can't get it in. Let me see where it is. Starling on the bird table. Oh, I think the sparrows are in here. No, they've flown off. Starlings. There's that little pink-chested thing on. There's a starling up there. Jez has got, I suppose he does it with his camera, he gets the close-up shots. I just don't have that ability. Nobody's on the brick now, are they? Let's see if I can get a better place for the brick. Andrew, if I can see them, they can see me and they probably won't come. Where's that little pink-chested bird gone? I don't know where that went. Well, I've got to go somewhere, so I guess I could stand here all day and watch them. I really could. But, let's pop in somewhere. But I better go. Well, have a good afternoon, folks. I've kind of lost on my morning, but then I was still awake for most of it. Yeah, it's a bit dreary, isn't it? There's a ringneck dove, look, collared dove up there on the aerial. But, yeah, it's all gone quiet there for a minute. They've all dived in and had their first mouthful. I wonder about that little pink chested. I'm going to go and look that up now. Is it a bullfinch with a pink chest? I think it might be, but I haven't seen one of those in here before. I don't think. Like I said, I do get blue tits and I get coal tits. I think I've had great tits, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, if I go, then he can come down and eat something, can't he? So I'm going to head down these treacherous steps now. You can see why Sunny falls down them. They're pretty treacherous. They weren't here. There was nothing here. You had to walk all the way along there, and there's a gate past the water butt. But we made these steps, which are very useful. But of course now, because I'm an old lady, she says, I'm actually only 66. But, oh God, because of my arthritis, it's all a bit hairy scary. Okay, that's why poor old Sunny falls down, I think. Her eyesight and her arthritis. Have a good afternoon, folks. Bye.